Differential transformer. Why this called as transformer? This is basically a transducer, but this is called as transformer because its construction is like a transformer. You can see here it having a one primary winding and two secondary winding and one core. This core is moving, and this transducer is used to measure, convert displacement into voltage. Clear? Now the first we have to just move this core up and down, and because of that flux linkage between this secondary S2 and linkage between primary and secondary S2 is vary, and according to that output we take as a difference of the two voltage across S1 and S2. That's why this is called differential transformer. Clear? First we will make this zero adjustment with the help of this vernier clipper. We adjust this 0 at 0 so that this meter displacement meter shows 0 reading. So first we have to move in such a direction like this, 0. Yes, you can see here this meter must be shows 0 reading or 0 displacement. When there is a 0 displacement, it means core is in the center position, flux linkage with S1 and flux linkage between P and S2 is same. So the differential output of these two is equals to 0. It means when we connect a multimeter across this ground and output at primary, output secondary, you can see here this difference voltage must be is equals to 0. You can see this voltage is equals to 0 at displacement 0. Yes, and this displacement also must be is equals to 0. If this is not is equals to 0, you have to adjust from 0 adjustment, and you have to make this is equals to 0. No, this is equals to 0. Now first we have to move this in a clockwise direction, and we have to complete one circle that is of 10 mm, and then we have to see the displacement reading from here and then voltage across this multimeter. Now I will do the first 360, or we can say one circle. This one, yes, at 10 mm, or after completing one circle, this reading displacement is equals to 0.53 mm. This is displacement, and we have to note down the voltage, which is output voltage in millivolt, which is here is 24.6 or 24.2 millivolt. Now again we have to do the same procedure for 5 times. Next, completing one circle that is of 10 mm, and this reading is 1.08, and voltage is volts. Why volts? Reading is 40. Second reading is 48.7. Now repeat the same procedure again. Stop. Now after taking the 5 readings in clockwise direction, you can see there is a 5 displacements, and these are 5 voltages corresponding to this displacement of the core. Now after doing this, we have to again move this in anti-clockwise direction and make this is 0 adjustment or 0 position. When this meter shows 0 displacement, that means it is at 0. Sorry. Yes. No, this is at 0. Now again we have to repeat the same procedure, but this time we have to move this in anti-clockwise direction. That means core is moving in downward direction. Here we have to move this in anti-clockwise 10 mm. It means we have to complete one circle. This is 0, this one circle. You can see here the same reading with the minus 0.56 displacement, and voltage is 26.8 millivolt. Now again repeat the same procedure with anti-clockwise direction. This is equals to 0 and displacement is 1.12 and voltage is 51.3 millivolt. And in this way you have to take 5 readings. Okay? After taking the readings in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction, we have to draw the graph between the displacement and voltage. Why I take this 2? This is a positive displacement and this side the negative displacement. And from these readings you have to draw the graph. You will get, I am just drawing roughly graph, you will get a graph like this, and anti-clockwise you will get graph like this. And after that you have to take the maximum reading and then draw the perpendicular line from here and then perpendicular line from here. You can see you have to note down this total displacement of the core in clockwise and or we can say up and down position. This is the total displacement. Now suppose the maximum displacement is in this case is 2.76 and in this case is minus 2.76, and that means the sum of these two, this is 2.76 plus or minus 2.78, you will get 2.76 plus 2.78. This is the total displacement of the core. And displacement, this is total displacement is 5.54 mm is the total displacement of the core, and this is the corresponding output voltage or EM.